Hello everyone, my name is Bree and welcome to Documented Journey. Today is day 19 of Create December and the prompt today is together. So I would have to say that together is probably one of my favorite words because I absolutely love being around people, especially ones that I enjoy their company and that I love very deeply. So my family or my husband, any of those types of people, I just absolutely love being around them and doing things with them. May it be chores or may it be something fun. I just really enjoy their company. I kind of bring this back to my parents because my parents were big advocates on doing things together, being each other's best friend, and then also my brother and I, it's just us two. They were huge on supporting each other, like making sure my brother and I supported each other. We were only about 17 months apart, so he truly was like my go-to person, in life until I met my husband. And anything we had to do, may it be chores like rake the leaves or maybe we had to clean the house, whatever it may be, my parents were always like, okay, let's get this done so that way we can go do something fun together. And then we would maybe go grab a pizza or we'd play board games or something. So it's always a super, super important part of my life to do things together with the people that you love, to support each other. And for instance, my husband and I, we like to do these videos together of drone footage and art stuff together, and that is, again, something that kind of ties back into what my parents have taught me. I just love doing things together. So as most of you know, because you have been here for a while now, here meaning on my channel, I am obsessed with nature. Anything outside, anything botanical-like, I absolutely love it. And if you have been here for a very long time, then you also know that I used to draw these girls, and I have a few tutorials on how to draw a simple face and different facial features and different emotions, which I can leave in the description box for you. But why not combine the two? And that's kind of what I've been playing with this month a little bit. I've been trying to combine the nature aspect and drawing a journal girl, and it's coming along quite well, I might say. I really have liked most every single one I've done. If I can really think back, actually, I like every single one I've done. I do have some stickers coming soon, hopefully in the new year, of this combination, and I'm really excited for them. And I hope you are too. So a bit of a pro tip, if you have ever used a ballpoint pen, it is waterproof. The only problem with it is not archival. So I would recommend that if you are going to do ballpoint pen sketches, that you do them in a sketchbook, something that you can close, that light doesn't normally touch it. And then if you do want to make it into something, then you make it into some kind of print. That way those are archival, and then your sketches or your ink drawings are safe and closed and away from the sun. So I've pretty much just got the base layer down, and now I am going over the top and adding some depth. This is just me using the same exact color that I used before, but just kind of going over it so that way it has a light and a dark area. Adding the depth with the watercolor is actually quite easy. The hardest part, I think, is figuring out where you want your dark areas to be when you're using the ballpoint pen. Once you've got the ballpoint pen down, now it's pretty much just like a map. You're just following those lines that you've already made with the darker watercolor. And I think this is the most fun because I'm not really having to think too much. All I'm really paying attention to is what color I want to be where and how to really make everything pop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm curious what you think about all the different camera angles and how close you are getting to the paper, if you like that or if you don't. Let me know about that in the comments below. And until next time, everybody, I'll see ya.